Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Tuesday, March 24th, 2009. This morning I wanted to take a look at processes and what the priorities mean and in what order processes will run based on how you set things up. So here what I've got is a little block. I'm throwing a semaphore in here and telling the process to wait, and then when it's signaled, dump something to the transcript. I'm going to fork two processes, one a priority 40, one a priority 45, and then I'm going to signal the process. Now this isn't going to be terribly surprising. We're going to get the higher priority process first, so let's try that. And the reason we get that higher priority process is that when you have two processes that are waiting for something and you signal a semaphore, say, on them, the one with the highest priority will run first. If I signal the semaphore again, I'll get the lower priority one. Not a terribly big surprise. What's more interesting is what happens when I have two processes at the same priority. So let's take process 1 and 2 at the same priority of 40 and do the same thing. So we'll set them both up, have the same semaphore signaling for both of them, and then what we'll do is we'll signal the semaphore. So when we signaled it, we get this 1. And that's because given two processes at the same priority, if you signal a semaphore or have some other situation happen where any eligible process can run, the oldest one will run first, then the second oldest, then the third oldest. So if they're all at the same priority, they're kind of going to go in that order. That's the way the processor scheduler works by default. If you want to work it a different way, you need to either give them different priorities, send events such that the right one in this case being application specific, will run. You have to manage that yourself. So that's the way the processor scheduler will work. Given a set of processes at the same priority, if they all become runnable at the same time, the oldest one will run first. If there are different priorities, the highest priority one will run first. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.